So my name is Rossella Miccio. I'm the president of the Italian NGO Emergency. We have been working in Sudan since 20 years now, and today we met His Excellency the Vice President in order to update him on all the activities that the organization is carrying on in the health sector in Sudan, both here in Port Sudan, in Khartoum with the Salam Center for Cardiac Surgery that is still working regardless the conflict, the reopening hopefully soon of our pediatric center in Niala, and all the other activities for cardiac patients in the country. And we also asked the Vice President support to face the different challenges that we are facing, from the lack of electricity in Khartoum till the visa and the permits to move our international colleagues in order to make sure that we can respond to the people's need as much as possible.